Hey guys, this gentleman right here. He just hit 50 customers. Matter of fact, he's actually like at 58.
Yeah.
So we definitely had to take. What's your name, brother? Where you from?
Robert Wright, aka Chocolate Thunder, BKA Black Adonis from Brooklyn, New York.
Well, this gentleman, either with our team, we actually take our team members out once they hit 50 customers, right? So if that's 50 free customers, you don't have to pay. You know, the customers don't have to pay to be a customer. You just gotta activate the code. And this gentleman just hit 50 customers. So what we do, we take them out for wings and things. So this is us. This is the first beneficiary of the wings and things. And this is the second right here. That's a smile only your mother could love. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, guys, we're here in Brooklyn for part 2. Boom. Boom vibe. That's how it goes. Boom. But guys, listen. If you don't know what this is about, he said he's gonna hold the camera for me so we can do it right. So if you don't know what this is about, IBuumerang, we have a platform, all right, and we're able to give away blessings. We're able to give away codes that allows you to save money every time you travel. So myself, this gentleman right here, Mr. Alexi, and the one holding the camera, there you go. Show this pretty face, right? The one holding the camera, Mr. Robert Pretty Boy, right? You know what I mean? We finally, you know, we all three of us hit the 50 customer mark. And you can do the same thing with us. Just join us, you know what I mean? We can work together and you can get some wings and things too. Let's get it. It's the champion right here. After he ate his wings, now he about to go home and knock out. With the wing bar. We got Rob trying to fit in the smart car.
I'm cool. I'm in the smart car.
His knees are so...
Get that out of here.
We're going to start off with the smart car and move our way up to the Rolls Royce. That's what we're going to do?
Oh, the jack.